Hello everyone, welcome to Kellye Knows Nursing, where I'm Kellye and I know nursing. So today's video is going to be a little different because instead of talking about nursing, I'm going to give a wig review. So today's wig review comes from my best friend, Crystal Martino. She is promoting her new wig line. I basically told her that I wanted a wig, and for anyone who knows me, you know I do not wear any wigs. This will be my first time wearing a wig. So she designed a wig especially for me, custom made, so she's going to start promoting her own products and her own wig line. So first off, I want to say, as soon as I told her to design me a wig, she was on it. After she finished it, it's fast delivery. It came in the mail within 2 business days, the quickest I've ever seen anything come in the mail. And it also came in this nice box right here. She had it all taped up, which was amazing. I kind of already untaped it before I started the video because it was just a lot going on. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Beautiful. Oh. Alright, so I'm unboxing. So this is the unboxing of my video, and the wig, the mannequin, it came on a mannequin's head. Already has a satin bonnet on it. Really nice. I appreciate that for leaving that on. So I'm just going to take the satin bonnet out. So I'm so excited, you guys. Like I said, my first time wearing a wig. First time seeing what it's about. Also, everything that I show, I'm going to post it in my description box. I'm going to post her information in my description box in case you all are interested. I'm going to give you her website and all that great stuff. So this is what my wig looks like. Beautiful. And also, too, with the wig, she did include some cards with instructions, because if you're a newbie like me, you don't know what to do with a wig. So this has the instructions on the back. This is 100% pure virgin Remy human hair. So it has some highlights added to it. Really, really nice. And it's so soft. I will say that. It's very soft, very easy to run my fingers through it. It has a clip on the side. Very nice. So I'm going to take her off. This is also in the box. Thank you so much. I'm going to take it off, and basically on the inside, this is how the inside looks. This is the, just in case if y'all want to know how her inside looks, this is how it looks. It has a stretch thing. It has a clip. All this on her wig. You can see the part looks like that. So that's how her wig looks. And I'm excited also with the hair. It came in, is a lace closure, is what she calls this, a lace closure. And it's a braided wig cap. It has some stuff inside of the box as well. Wig holder. Awesome. It comes with that. Also in the box, she has some combs for me to kind of keep it slicked down, keep it right. And let's see, she also has some Carefree Curl Instant Activator to keep me right, keep me looking right and shiny. Next up, she has wrapped some black seed oil and coconut oil, some hydrating setting mousse to keep my wig looking fresh. Nice, thank you so much. Also, what's in here, she has her business cards. Like I said, I'm going to drop all her information in my description box. She has some pens. I appreciate that so much. So I'm going to go ahead and start to put it on. I don't want y'all to judge me. I'm putting on a wig now. It's my first time. Okay. And so you already know I have my wig cap on already, as y'all probably already can tell. So let me put this right. And it's very soft. I will tell you that, like I said. Get this part right. I'll take this clip off. Alright, so like I said, this is my first time. It may take me a little minute to get it right. But this is my first time applying a wig. And those of you all who do this all the time, you already know how to get it right on your head. This part actually matches my skin tone, so that is another plus. I don't have to sit there and put any product on my hair. So basically, this is how she looks on my hair. I'm trying to get this right, y'all. Keep sliding. All right, and like I said, it's really nice. It's really soft. She can put it on. She can go. This is how the back looks. And it doesn't feel like it's going to come off. And I guess those clip holders keeps me in place. So this is it. So I really like it. Definitely will rock this whenever I'm going places, when I'm doing things. And I also have my clips here where I can clip it. And I guess I can kind of clip it this way too. And it feels good. It's manageable. It's not too much. It's not heavy at all. It looks like me actually. Smells good. Looks good. Feels good. I can kind of... And I'll probably get a little... I guess I can put a little bit of this mousse hair on it. This mousse. Let's see. Okay. I love it. She doing it. All right, and you guys, you see, that was quick and easy. And this is coming from someone who is a beginner and wearing wigs. But you see how it's very easy to maneuver. Very easy. Highly manageable. Like I said, in her kit, it comes with the mannequin head. So I guess after I take it off, I'll have this to basically put with my satin bonnet. Have it in my house. First wig. Not bad at all. I love it. I love it. So yeah, so I want y'all to comment if you have any questions. I want you all to comment on my video. If you haven't subscribed to my page, please subscribe to my page. I also want you to support my best friend on her wig line. I'm so excited for her. Like I said, I'm going to actually order me another one. So feel free. Comment, share, like the post, like the video, and let me know. So I hope y'all enjoyed my wig review, my video. Like I said, easy to put on, easy to manage. I would definitely be posting another video with my wig on, just to kind of let y'all know how I'm doing with the maintenance, the care, anything that you need to ask about. She's available. She's easy to talk to. Awesome person. Support her wig line. I already feel this is going to go big because she does so much things that is new. It's different. I've never seen anybody talk about one of these coming with their mannequin kits. I'm just saying. I've seen several reviews. This is really nice hair. It doesn't even look like it's fake. It looks like me. It fits me. So like I said, I'm going to put all the information in my description box. Subscribe to me, view me, and I appreciate y'all watching my video. Thank you.